Every parent understands that the first year with a child is both difficult and exciting. The first thing that parents get worried about as soon as the baby starts feeding on milk is burping, also known as belching. Have you noticed your baby to spit food up and cry non-stop, and you aren't sure what you can do to help? Well, congratulations! You've come to the right channel to get this over with. In today's video, we will talk about the techniques of burping a newborn baby, the causes leading to how, when, and why gas enters the baby's body, and the questions new parents ask. For other baby tips, click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on new videos. Like the video, share it with friends and others who need to hear this, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. The material in this video is provided solely for educational reasons and is not intended to be taken as medical advice. What causes your baby to get irritable? Indigestion is a primary cause of gas. Gas can be triggered by some foods, and this can happen with the food you feed your baby. Also, the food you take in contributes to the baby to get gases as it eventually gets passed down through your breast milk. 4 techniques on burping your baby. 1. On the shoulder. This is a great position for newborns and infants up to 6 months old. All you need to do is to place your baby's chin on your shoulder and hold him to your chest. In case your baby spits up, put on a burping towel over your shoulder. Start patting the baby's back gently using your other hand, preferably the non-dominant one, so as to support his weight. Move your arm up and down and rub his back after patting to release the gas that's trapped. 2. On the legs. Put on a burping towel on your legs. Lay your baby on your lap with his back to you. One hand should support your baby's jaw while you lean him forward slightly. Your baby's head should be supported by your thumb and forefinger, while his chest by your palm. 3. On the stomach. Once your baby has grown a little, pat or touch his tummy lightly with your dominant hand. You may burp him while laying his face down on your lap. Just make sure your baby's head does not drop lower than the rest of his body to avoid a head rush. With one hand, support his chin and jaw while burping him with the other. 4. Walking. You may do this technique as soon as your baby starts to have enough head and neck control. You may try burping him while walking by holding your baby upright in front of you, facing out. Then, while applying light pressure to his tummy to burp him, support his bottom with your hand. Give these 4 techniques a try, and they will give your baby a little ease against releasing gas. Now, let's move on to the top 5 frequently asked questions new parents ask. 1. What will happen if a baby doesn't get burped? Crankiness and excessive crying might occur if you fail to relieve your baby's gas. The gas, if not relieved, will cause abdominal pain due to intestinal blockage. Burping can also help children with GERD as the number of the produced spit-up gets reduced. 2. What are the indicators to say that the baby needs burping? Irritability and whining during or after a meal are signs that your infant is upset and needs to be burped. 3. How often should burping be done? If your baby is breastfeeding, always burp him after each breast, but if you're using a bottle, it's worth note-taking that you burp him twice. If he's acting a little fuzzy while feeding, Give him a burp once halfway through and once at the conclusion. Do what's best to suit your baby's needs. 4. Should I be worried if my baby doesn't burp at all? The answer is no. Some babies simply do not burp, while others learn to feed as they mature. Try patting for 5 minutes, however, and if he still doesn't, he probably doesn't need to at all. One problem a breastfed baby will be facing is that he will swallow good amounts of air while feeding, especially when he's already using bottle nipples. That is why choosing the appropriate nipple size for his bottle is very important. 5. When is it best to consult a pediatrician for a gassy baby? It's best that you see a pediatrician if you see signs such as no weight gain, difficult to feed. This could be a sign of acid reflux. Having a hard time with bowel movements, which is serious as the gas can be trapped behind the poop. Thanks for watching! Please like and share this video if you learned something new today. Here are other videos we think might interest you. Just click to the top or bottom. So see you on the next one.